in this video we are going to discuss about the signum function, which is also a basic signal of the signal and systems. So if you look the definition of the signum function, so it is denoted by SGN, signum, and you can define it using the following function, like signum of t is equals to 1 when t is greater than 0, and it is always equals to 0 if the value of t is equals to 0, and it is always equals to -1 if t is less than 0. Pictorially or physically, you can see that how signal looks like if you draw the x-axis as a t, like continuous time signal, and the y-axis as the signum of t. So as we said that if the value of t is bigger than 0, so that is center point where t is equals to 0. So if you have positive value of t, you can see that the value of the signum function is equals to 1. But if the value of the t is negative, like the t is towards negative axis of this x-axis, then you can see that the value of the signum function is equals to -1. So from its definition, one can see that the signum function simply computes the sign of a number. So it is nothing that it will give you the value or the sign of a given number depending on the value of the t. So how can we write the signum function? Like if you have a digital signal functions, you can write the signum of n is equals to 1 when n is bigger than 0, and it is equals to 0 when n is equals to 0, and it is equals to -1 when the n is less than 0. Like you can represent using the graphical format, so that is the 0, and on the positive side the value of the sample is always equals to 1. Like if n is equals to 1, so you can write here, so that this is basically n. So if n is equals to 1 or 2 or 3, the sample value is always equals to 1. But if you have n is equals to -1, -2, -3, then the sample value is always equals to -1. So how can you write the relationship between ut and the signum, like unit step function and the signum function? The first relationship, you can say that signum of t is equals to 2 of ut minus 1. So this is the shifted version of unit step function, and that 1 is the DC signal. So like you can write the 2 of ut here. So this is the unit step signal. So if you multiply it 2, then the amplitude of unit step is equals to 2 ut, and then you can write 1 as a DC signal. So this is x-axis, and so this is t. So you can write here t. So you can write here t. So it means that x-axis is t and this is y of 2t. But here, so this is 1 means a DC signal. So this is also t here. So it means that if you subtract these two signals, so you can see that here it is 0. So here it is -infinity. Here it is -infinity and is positive infinity. So if the value of t, the amplitude is always equals to 2, and if the value of t is positive here, so the amplitude is equals to 1. So if you subtract this signal from 2 of ut, so this is minus sign. So if you subtract this signal from this signal, so you can see the answer is positive 1 and negative 1. Like if you subtract these two from 1, so the answer is 2, answer is 1. So if you subtract this 0 from this 1, so 0 minus 1, the answer is -1. So I hope that you understand the signum function. So if you like it, then you press the like button. So for more such video, you can subscribe the channel. Thank you.